So I've got my electric barbecue brush here. In this review, what I want to do is show you everything that comes with. Then we're going to go over the features of this, and then I'll give you a demonstration. So it does come with a little storage bag that you can go ahead and put everything into. Also comes with a charging cord, and we're going to go ahead and charge it right through here. Now it does have a 3-hour charge time, but it has about a 90-minute working time. So we've got two different brush heads right here. This is our solid steel with the bristles to go ahead and get all that real dirt and grime. It does have a ring on here that allows us to remove it from the tool right here. And then we have two different pads here for cleaning. So these are all Velcro on the back side. When you're ready to remove it, it just peels right off. And these can be cleaned. You can hand wash it or put it in a dishwasher. Let me go ahead and put the head on here. All you gotta do is just snap it in and it pops. Now this right here, this is adjustable. So depending on if you're using it this way or this way, you can go ahead and adjust it. Also, the head is adjustable too. Right here, we really just have two buttons. We've got our power button. LEDs are going to let me know how much power is left in the battery. And then we have three different speeds: low, medium, and high. Pretty simple to do, simple to remove the head and clean. So let's go ahead and try it out. When you first turn it on, it's going to be on high speed. You can see here it's spinning pretty quick. I'm just going to kind of put some pressure on there and get this grill clean. It's definitely going to clean it better than I would if I'm just doing it by hand with your typical brushes, but this really gets it nice and clean. And that way it's all ready to use the next time I'm ready to cook some burgers or some steak or chicken. Hope you found this review helpful.